Hello beautiful people. In this video we are talk about the 5 best Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra screen protector under $20 you can buy Amazon. The Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra is the newest phone in their line, and it is a very high-end device. It has a 6.8 AMOLED display with a resolution of 1080x2340 and an aspect ratio of 21:9. The phone has a Snapdragon 855 processor, 6 GB of RAM, 128 GB of storage, and a 4000 mAh battery that charges wirelessly. It also has IP68 water resistance and wireless charging as well as dual SIM card slots. This video is going to help you find the best screen protector for your new Galaxy S22 Ultra. You can also find other video that will help you take care of your new phone. The Galaxy S22 Ultra is a great phone, but it's not perfect, so you need to protect it from all the things that might happen to it. One of the things that can happen is that your screen might get scratched or cracked, which would make your phone look old and not as good as before. You're probably wondering why you need a screen protector and what are some of the best ones on the market right now. A screen protector is a thin, clear sheet that covers the screen of a device. It is typically made of plastic or glass and can be made to cover only certain parts of the phone. The protector is not sharp like a knife, but instead has a smooth surface. Here are OnlyBetterOnes. We are a bunch of product researchers and testers. We test, analyze and research and new products and create a list of top 5 best products based on price, quality, feature and user feedback. So if you are interested in any product, I have linked to each product description below. You can check if you want. If are new to this channel, please consider subscribing our channel and press the bell icon so you don't miss any new video. Number 5. Ampham. The screen of your phone is the most important part of it, and to protect it from scratches and keep it looking new, you need the best screen protector for your phone. Ampham provides a free lifetime replacement warranty for our products. Protect your Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra with Ampham today. Ampham's screen protector is the perfect way to keep your Galaxy S22 Ultra 5G 6.8 inches screen safe from scratches, smudges, and dirt. Our screen protector is made of high-quality material and won't affect the sensitivity or clarity of your screen. It features a transparent, durable and flexible material that is easy to apply, leaves no residue when removed, provides protection against shock, has easy installation alignment tool. Ampham's screen protector is the latest in high-tech screen protection. Designed specifically for Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra 5G 6.8 inch, this ultra-clear, durable and easy-to-install screen protector provides your phone the best defense against scratches, dust and other minor damages. Protect your phone with Ampham's brand new liquid screen protector in an easy 2-pack. Our Ampham covers are thin, strong, and reusable. Still not convinced? These films are fingerprint ID compatible, so you can unlock your phone without any issues. Plus they're HD clear and work with any of the latest devices on the market. Elastic Skin Screen Protector by Ampham fully works with the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra ultrasonic fingerprint scanner. Cut precisely to cover the display region, this protector is designed to be compatible with most cases. Number 4. LK. Keep your phone screen and camera looking new and beautiful with LK's 4-pack screen protector. We're proud to offer this set at the best price that won't break the bank. Prevent scratches, dents, and dirt from cluttering your screen while keeping it safe from accidental drops. Don't risk your phone's safety with low-quality products. Be the first to have a phone that shines on. Protect your phone's screen with our durable and crystal clear HD clear TPU film. We have a wide variety of sizes to fit your device. Easy installation process and case-friendly. Includes 2-pack Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra TPU protective film plus 2-pack Galaxy S22 Ultra camera tempered glass plus 1-piece alignment frame. Keep your Galaxy S22 Ultra 5 grams the most effective protection. With extremely high hardness, this protective TPU film is effective in absorbing shock, effectively scratching from sharp objects such as knives and keys. Precise cutouts for components such as speakers, cameras and sensors are precisely designed to offer the maximum amount of coverage while maintaining the product's strength and integrity. 99% HD clear screen protector with smooth surface and true touch feel and keeps the bright and colorful image quality. The camera protector does not affect the flash, high definition to ensure original pixel perfect for pictures and videos. Number 3. Akuma. Say goodbye to the dreaded bubbles. Best designed this screen protectors to easily adhere to the screen with an industry-leading 0.2mm thickness and 99% high-definition clarity. This premium 3D curved edge guard film not only provides strong edge-to-edge protection but also doesn't cover up your camera lens or sensor. And if you're worried about installation, give your phone the ultimate protection with Akuma curved edge tempered glass screen protectors. You deserve the best when it comes to keeping your device looking and operating in pristine condition. The premium tempered glass is scratch-resistant and durable, providing a clear and crisp image on the display. The edge-to-edge coverage ensures that you will have maximum coverage of your phone's screen while still preserving its original beauty. Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, precise laser cut for the front-facing camera and speaker, designed specifically most appropriate coverage of the screen. Excellent choice of protection film for Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. Newest 3D glass bend technology makes glass bending perfectly fit the screen of the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra round edge. Protect your screen from edge to edge. An oleophobic coating has been applied to the tempered glass in order to provide an inbuilt resistance against fingerprints, smudges and other oily markings. Thanks to this coating, making it easy to clean up. Number 2. Tori. The best protection for your screen and lens while giving you the best experience with your device. Tori's HD Clear, bubble-free screen protector is made of TPU, which is great to protect your fragile phone screen. The camera lens protector is made out of PET material, which won't scratch or fingerprint your lens. The installation process is easy and it won't leave any residue or bubbles on your phone. Tori's screen protector is made of high-quality TPU film, which is thinner and can absorb more impact, flexible and shatterproof. The camera lens protector is made of 2 pieces of PC, which is brighter and more transparent than PET material. It doesn't contain any toxic substances and has a good anti-scratch ability. Protect your phone with the best screen and camera protection. Our complete set comes with 2 high-quality screen protectors and 2 lens protectors that are easily installed. Unique, patented film is durable, reliable and the only one with a lifetime warranty. We also offer you an exclusive bubble-free guarantee and offer extensive help for installation. 2-pack flexible TPU film screen protector plus 2-pack tempered glass camera lens protector for Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra 5G. The thickness of 0.13mm allows you to experience the highest original quality of the screen and maintain the original saturated color of the screen. 99.99% HD clarity and touch screen accuracy. Easy installation and no leftover residue when you take it off. During application, simply squeegee thoroughly once aligned for bubble-free application. Number 1. Zolmag. Zolmag, a leading global manufacturer in tempered glass screen protectors, proudly presents their latest product. If you are looking for tempered glass screen protector for your new Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, then this is the product to get. Made from the highest quality materials, this screen protector will not shatter, even when dropped from a great height, and will not scratch under normal use. It is also anti-fingerprint and bubble-free. This screen protector is made of tempered glass that is guaranteed to be bubble-free. It also has a 9H hardness for maximum scratch resistance and is only 0.3mm thick, making it compatible with the fingerprint sensor on your Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. Easy to apply and can be removed without leaving any sticky residue behind. Zolmag is the best screen protector for your Galaxy S22 Ultra. It's so easy to install, bubble-free and fingerprint resistant. Plus, it's scratch resistant and fingerprint sensor compatible. You won't regret making a quick decision to buy this. This film was specially designed for Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra support fingerprint sensor. Protective glass protects your display against damage and scratches. The protective glass with its hardness of 9H offers a very high abrasion resistance and protection against damage to all sharp objects, keys, coins, scratches and dirt. This screen protector could work with most of case on the market. We need to leave some space for your case. This screen protector might leave a very small gap at all around edges part.